In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product attributes in WooCommerce fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned WooCommerce user or just starting out, adding attributes to your products can significantly enhance your online store's functionality and customer experience. Let's dive in and break down this process into easy-to-follow steps. First, open your browser and navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main hub where you'll be managing your WooCommerce store, so make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the dashboard, look around to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll see plenty of options on your left sidebar, but for today, our focus is on one specific part. Next, on the left-hand side menu, you'll notice a tab labeled Products. Click on it to begin your journey into managing your product catalog. This is where you can edit existing products or add new ones. But for now, our goal is to enhance these products by adding attributes. After clicking on Products, you'll see a sub-menu appear. From here, find and click on Attributes. An attribute in WooCommerce is a way to assign specific properties or characteristics to products. Think color, size, material, or any other detail that helps customers make informed decisions. Attributes are essential for businesses offering a variation-rich selection of products. On the Attributes page, your first task is to define a name for your new attribute. This name will be visible to customers, so choose something clear and descriptive. Let's say you might want to create an attribute called Color. Input color or any other attribute name you wish to use. This step essentially labels your attribute for easy identification. Next up is the slug field. The slug is a URL-friendly version of your attribute name. WooCommerce often generates this automatically, but if you prefer a specific slug format, feel free to input it yourself. A tip for creating slugs: keep it simple and in lowercase, separating words with hyphens if needed. So for color, a suitable slug would be color. Once you've inputted a name and slug, your final task is straightforward. Add the attribute to your store, look for the Add Attribute button, and click on it. This will save your new attribute and make it available for use in your products. Adding attributes this way ensures your product catalog is versatile and caters to customer needs, giving them a variety of options to choose from while shopping. And there you have it. You've successfully added a product attribute in WooCommerce. This process streamlines how you manage product variations and enriches the overall customer shopping experience. Thanks for following along, and be sure to implement these tips to optimize your WooCommerce store. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Happy selling!